Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Don't you think it's about time for some more charred punkwood? For me, this is not enough charred punkwood. And a big part of this is just powder. From being jostled around so much. Let's go ahead and use up that powder, get the fire started, and then I'll show you where I'm going to get my punkwood. All right, when using tulip poplar bark, do save the outer bark. This inner bark is what we're going to process up and ignite with our charred punkwood. That will ignite nicely. Let me show you. This is the steel that we made out of a Nicholson file. It's a piece of chert. That's all we'll need. All right, you see that buildup on the bottom side of that char tin lid? That's what happens when you make brittle char cloth. You've got these gases are condensing on this cooler surface, and then it gets rock hard. Well, I think if you don't keep even heat on your char tin, like you take it out and put it back in, or for some reason one side of your fire is hotter than the other, I think these gases absorb back into the fabric and make it hard or make hard places on it. We'll put the lids on these, put them in the fire. The first gas to come out is probably the moisture, the water vapor, and then the more flammable gases will come out after that, and they will oftentimes ignite into flames. But do always have a big vent hole in your lids so those gases can easily escape. And of course you wouldn't want to put so much punkwood in there that you blocked off the vent holes. Do not open that lid until the tins are completely cooled off, or else you will be introducing oxygen and the char will ignite. some loblolly pine needles. We'll go ahead and try out the new batch. They're both cooled off. See what they look like. That's the way it's supposed to look. Let's try it out. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.